Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to take you through our 2019 Mastercraft XT20. This boat is a 20-foot boat that does it all. Wakeboards, water skis, and wake surfs exceptionally well. Has the Gen 2 surf system on it. Has the wakeboard and wake surf clamping swivel racks. Z4 tower with Klish tower speakers. It's got sea deck flooring, built-in cooler, Mastercraft cooler, save space. It's got the advanced audio system with the subwoofer, Klish speakers. It's got the tack control display, controls over here for all your functionalities for surfing, wakeboarding, and skiing. Plenty of storage in this 20-foot boat. Another flip-up storage here. Walk through to the bow. It's got the air down door, 2 more Klish speakers, and for a 20-foot boat, this boat has an extremely wide bow to fit all your family and friends for a great day on the lake, for just pleasure riding or getting it done with some wake surfing and wakeboarding. Come and check us out at MarineMax Greenville, or check us out on MarineMaxGreenville.com on our 2019 XT20 Mastercraft. Thank you.